Indian literature refers to the literature produced on the Indian subcontinent until 1947 and in the Republic of India thereafter. Republic of India, as I have already mentioned, more than 24 officially recognized languages. The earliest work was still in orally transmitted. Sanskrit literature begins with the oral literature of the Rig Veda एंड हिंदुस्तान की शान है हिंदी, हर हिंदुस्तानी की पहचान है हिंदी, एकता की अनुपम परंपरा है हिंदी, हर दिल का अरमान है हिंदी. The Sanskrit epics Ramayana and Mahabharata were subsequently codified and appeared towards the end of the second millennium BCE. Classical Sanskrit literature developed rapidly during the first few centuries, and then Tamil, Pali Konan, and Kannada, Telugu, every other, Gujarati, Assamese, Odia, Bengali. So हिंदी भाषा नहीं भावों की अभिव्यक्ति है, ये मातृभूमि पर मर मिटने की भक्ति है. There are many good reasons behind this, that people of that era were found to be a writer. So due to हिंदू धर्म ने ही बोला है एक पुरुषार्थ होता है. हिंदू धर्म में पुरुषार्थ से तात्पर्य मानव के लक्ष्य या उद्देश्य से है. पुरुषार्थ का मतलब पुरुष का असली अर्थ, अर्थात मानव को क्या प्राप्त करने का प्रयत्न करना चाहिए. प्राय मनुष्य के लिए वेदों में 4 पुरुषार्थों का नाम लिया गया है: धर्म, अर्थ, काम और मोक्ष. इसलिए इसे पुरुषार्थ चतुष्टय भी कहते हैं. इसलिए इसे पुरुषार्थ चतुष्टय भी कहते हैं. महर्षि मनु पुरुषार्थ चतुष्टय के प्रतिपादक हैं. चार्वाक दर्शन केवल 2 ही पुरुषार्थ को मान्यता देता है, अर्थ और काम. वह धर्म और मोक्ष को नहीं मानता. महर्षि वात्सायन भी मनु के पुरुषार्थ चतुष्टय के समर्थक हैं, किंतु वे मोक्ष तथा परलोक की अपेक्षा धर्म, अर्थ, काम पर आधारित सांसारिक जीवन को सर्वोपरि मानते हैं. भारतीय संस्कृति में जिन पुरुषार्थों के बारे में बात करी गई है, we will just take 4 goals of ancient Indian literature, emphasizing that dharma is foremost. If dharma is ignored, earth and calm, profit and pleasure respectively lead to social chaos. The Gautam Dharam Shastra, Apashtham Dharam Shastra and Yajnavalkya Smriti as example has also said dharma should come first. आरंभ का अंत हो जाना एक नई शुरुआत है. गिनती का नंबर बदल जाना, वर्तमान का इतिहास बन जाना, उदय होते हुए सूरज का ढल जाना, खिल के फूल का डाल से उतर जाना एंड एक दर्द भूल के सुख को पहचान जाना, ये सब कुछ हमारे लिटरेचर में निचोड़ कर बताया गया. सो काम स्टेट्स द रिलेटिव वैल्यू ऑफ 3 goals. अर्थ इज मोर इम्पॉर्टेंट एंड शुड प्रिसीड काम, while dharma is more important and should precede both calm and earth. So Kautilya's Arthashastra, however, argues that earth is the foundation for the other two. Without prosperity and security in society or at individual level, both moral life and sensuality becomes difficult. So we will just narrate here few examples. मंजिल मिल ही जाएगी एक दिन भटकते भटकते ही सही, गुमराह तो वो है जो घर से निकले ही नहीं. खुशियाँ मिल जाएंगी एक दिन रोते रोते ही राही, कमज़ोर दिल के हैं वो जो हंसने की सोचते ही नहीं. पूरे होंगे हर वो ख्वाब वो देखे हैं अंधेरी रातों में, ना समझ है वो जो डर से पूरी रात सोते ही नहीं. तो वो ना समझ हैं जो डर से पूरी रात सोते ही नहीं. ऐसा ही एक एग्जाम्पल विच आई हैव एंड इज़ वेरी क्लोज टू माई हार्ट. एंड रिसेंटली ऑन November 26, milkman of India, Dr. Verghese Kurian. He was an affluent Syrian Christian family in Calicut, Kerala. His father, Puthin Parakhal Kurian, was a civil surgeon in British Cochin, and his mother was a highly educated woman as well, an exceptional piano player. He was named after his uncle Rao Sahib P.K. Verghese. Dr. Kurian joined Loyola College in Madras and attained his degree in BSc in physics. He was also very active in sports, cricket, badminton, boxing, tennis. He went to USA also. He went to United States of America on government scholarship, where he pursued his degree in Master of Science in Mechanical Engineering. He returned to India after completion of his studies in around 1949, and he headed for Anand, a place in Kaira district of Gujarat. where he was supposed to spend 5 years as an officer of the dairy division in return for the scholarship paid by the government. On arriving at Anand, he found that the farmers were being exploited by the distributors of milk, and the entire region was controlled by a shrewd but clever businessman called as Pestonji Adulji, who marketed actually Paulson butter. क्षमा सूरज को ढलना सिखाती है, क्षमा परवाने को जलना सिखाती है। गिरने वाले को होती तो है तकलीफ, पर ठोकर ही इंसान को चलना सिखाती है। So looking at the struggle of these people to survive and mesmerized by the personality of their leader, he just followed Tribhuvan Das Patel, who was trying to unite the farmers and form a cooperative movement against the exploitation. So Dr. Kurian left his government job and joined forces with Tribhuvan Patel and the farmers to start the milk cooperative movement in the region, registered under the name of Kaira District Cooperative Milk Producers Union Limited. It was previously known as KDCMPUL, which was later renamed to a now popular Amul. He worked towards bringing a white revolution in India and executed the much needed program of Operation Flood. हवा में ताश का महल नहीं बनता, रोने से बिगड़ा मुकद्दर नहीं बनता। दुनिया जीतने का हौसला रखा दोस्त, दुनिया जीतने का हौसला रखे दोस्त, एक जीत से कोई सिकंदर नहीं बनता। So Dr. Kurian always regarded himself as an employee of the farmers who would do anything to bring prosperity in their favor. In his service of over 50 years, he attained 15 honorary degrees from different institutions. His enduring personality, spirit, and undying charisma and conviction of turning into the impossible into possible has won him many accolades, such as Ramon Magsaysay Award for Community Leadership, Padam Shri, Padam Bhushan, Krishi Ratna Award, World Food Prize, Padam Vibhushan, Economic Times Award for Corporate Excellence, and several others. But people has given him the best title, Milkman of India. Dr. Verghese Kurian breathed his last on 9 September 2012 due to brief illness at Anand. But he will be always remembered as the person who redefined the meaning of milk as a powerful tool for economic development.